Hello and welcome to Daily Red Video. In this video, we will see how to create a bootable USB pen drive with the macOS Sierra installer in it. So the first thing is go to the Mac App Store and you have to download the final stable version of macOS Sierra, which is released by Apple on 20th September. So here you can see the macOS banner, and I have just downloaded it. And once you have downloaded it, you should not proceed with the installation process. You have to take a backup of this in the pen drive. In case of any future use, you can reuse this pen drive to install the macOS Sierra in a clean installation, or in case of any trouble with the crashing or any other problem happens with your Mac operating system. So once it's downloaded, you will see this screen. So what you have to do is keep the screen aside, and you have to go to applications directory by launching the Finder, and you have to take a backup of this particular file, which is install macOS Sierra. So this comes around 4.78 GB. So you have to back up this particular file for burning it in the pen drive or for future use. So you can store it anywhere in the hard disk drive or in a secondary hard disk drive. This particular file, this applications folder file will be erased automatically after the installation is completed. So it is important to take the backup of this particular file to some other folder or somewhere. And when you proceed installing it, it will just upgrade, so it won't delete the file that you have backed up and stored it in some other partition or in some other secondary storage. So that will be safe. All right, so here I have inserted a pen drive which is blank. If it is not blank, then launch disk utility and format this partition as OSX journaled partition type, and keep it ready. This is the pen drive name, untitled. So this will be useful when you try to create the macOS Sierra installer disk. So here, launch terminal, and then I have given this command in the description of this video. Simply go to that link and copy this command and paste it here. It will prompt you for the password once. So once you have given the password, it will start to erase that pen drive. As you can see, the pen drive name is highlighted here, untitled. If you have renamed it to some other Sierra, macOS Sierra or something to easily remember, then make sure that particular name is given here. Otherwise, you may be seeing an error after entering this command. So you can see the copying installer files to disk after erasing the disk once again. So overall, it will take maximum 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your RAM capacity and processing power that you have on your MacBook or iMac. So once it's done, your macOS USB installer will be ready, and you can install the macOS Sierra on your secondary Mac computer or on any Mac computers that your friends have or you have without downloading it once again. So I hope this helped, and feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, macOS tutorials and gadget reviews. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful day.